Congratulations!
You.
Danny!
Congratulations, Dennis!
Congratulations, Dennis!
Hi, paring Dance! Congratulations on your graduation.
Congratulations, Tito Dennis. Good job, well done. Good job, well done.
Congratulations sa nagkakapera kong tunay as in gwapong barkada. Congratulations pali.
Hi, Dennis! Congratulations!
Congratulations for a very great job.
So congrats, friend. Hope to see you soon. Bye. Love you, Fred. Love you, Anna. Love you, Zael. Bye.
Congratulations, Ninong Dennis.
Congratulations, Den! Yay! Flying kiss!
Congratulations, Kuya Dennis, on your graduation.
Congratulations, Tito Denny and
Dennis.
Dennis.
We love you and always take care.
We love you. We always love you.
Hi, bro! Congratulations!
Surprise, bro.
Congratulations, Chris Dennis.
Congratulations po, Tito Dennis.
Hi, Pade. Congratulations.
Hi, Dennis! Congratulations!
Congratulations, brother Dennis. Hi, Dennis. Congratulations on your graduation. Cheers!
On this very special day, Dennis, congratulations. You deserve all the best. Congratulations and warm wishes from us here in Benicia, California. Enjoy your day. Cheers! Wow! Hello, Bo! Amazing! Congratulations, Noy! At graduate ka na ulit. Me and the whole family of Mao sa Maricel. Lalong-lalo na si Daddy, si Kuya Edgar. You know, grabing sakripisyo mo, alam ko yan, poon, kahit to hanggang ganyan, deserve mo yan, no? Congratulations ulit, mag-enjoy ka sa graduation mo, and welcome to your next journey.
Happy graduation, Tito Boo! Congratulations! I'm happy for you. I love you po!
Congratulations, Kuya Bo! Sa wakas, nakagraduate ka na! I'm so proud of you! We love you!
Congratulations, Tito Bo! We are so proud of you. I love you!
Bago pa nakatapos ka na. Congrats.
For the world we're gonna make.